Hello, welcome to Sonic Solutions. I'm going to continue to show some of the equipment that we have on our shop floor. And this is the newest member of our team. This is a 900 litre ultrasonic tank. It's got some semi-automatic features, and it's also got a pump for drawing away oil and particulate that floats on the surface. Because when you're lifting parts up and out of the machine, you don't want the debris to stick back onto the parts. So it's quite a cool thing for us, and we're getting to learn how to use it at the moment. Not as good as the guys on the shop floor, but I'll try and demonstrate some of the features for you today. So one of the main reasons we decided to purchase this tank is its load capacity. It's obviously a lot bigger than some of the other tanks that we've got on the shop floor, which means it can handle a lot more items, it can handle a lot heavier items. This actually came to mind because we've started a contract for cleaning Scania truck engines, and we were having to manually clean them most of the time using IBCs, jet wash, and we really wanted to give them a good solid ultrasonic clean, and we needed a tank that was appropriately sized. And thankfully this can handle about 400 kilos. So we stick the engine straight into the machine. It's got a semi-automatic lowering arm on an air system. It just slowly lowers it into the tank and takes all the hard work of manually moving an engine around. As I mentioned, the pump system has been fantastic as well, because there is another job that we use this for, and it's for cleaning heat exchangers from a plastics recycling extraction system. You can imagine the kind of grease and oils that come from heating up plastic that land on these heat exchangers. The surface of the tank that we were using around there used to be covered with about an inch thick of oil. It was horrible work. Now with the pump system, we can filter all that out, bring the heat exchangers out, and they're clean and ready to go. We still haven't pushed this tank to its full capabilities yet, so you're more than welcome to use us for a trial clean for any large industrial parts or something you've got lots of, and we'd be happy to put that to the test for you. Hope you've enjoyed the video. See you again.